Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy crab soup, step by step. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh, lump crab meat, along with heavy cream and whole milk for that rich texture. Don't forget your aromatics like a half cup of finely diced onion and celery, plus 4 cups of quality chicken or seafood broth. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the delicious base for our soup. Begin by melting 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Once melted, add your finely chopped onion and celery. Sauté these vegetables gently until they become tender and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step is crucial for developing a deep, savory flavor. Next, we'll create a roux to thicken our soup. With our roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly whisk in the 4 cups of chicken or seafood broth, ensuring there are no lumps. Keep whisking until the mixture is completely smooth. Bring this to a gentle simmer, continuing to stir occasionally. Once it reaches a simmer, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 10 minutes. This allows the soup to thicken beautifully and all the flavors to meld together. For the grand finale, gently stir in 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Heat the soup through, but do not let it boil. Finally, carefully fold in your 1 pound of fresh, lump crab meat. Season with salt, white pepper, and a pinch of cayenne for a subtle kick. Serve immediately and enjoy this luxurious, creamy crab soup. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.